Alright, hello. I'm gonna do a camo test for like airsoft and paintball purposes. I got 3 patterns we're gonna test today. The tiger strap I'm wearing right now, and over there we got Multicam and M81 BDU. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna be wearing them all 3, like in the next scene and the scene after that and whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go test it. All right. All right. Alright, now we're gonna do the BDU, the M81 Woodland BDU. Alright, I'm gonna put on the boonie on the test. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. Alright. Alright, now we got the multicam. We're gonna test this now. The last one, last test. By the way, I forgot to add, this might be the best multicam. I myself would call this the poor man's multicam. I got it off eHobby Asia, and it was like 30 bucks. It was the only affordable multicam I could find because all the other multicams like Proper, True Spec, all that other stuff, it cost like $100 or more. It was like 60 for the top, 50 for the pants or something like that. But I found a whole set for just $30 with some shipping, so it was like 50 bucks total. It was a pretty good deal. Alright, that's all I had to say. Alright, let's begin the test.